Where is it? There it is.
Or there's a bridge gonna be on the right.
Oh yeah.
That's what I want to take a picture of more stuff.
A new bridge.
New bridge.
Oh, it's cute.
It looks a little bigger.
Yeah, I can't even fit it in here.
You can walk on that bridge. That's what I saw.
Oh, there's people walking up there, yeah.
No, because I saw there was like a ramp on the side, and I was like, that's kind of odd, you know? Like, you really can walk?
It's huge.
Jumping all over.
There's a dam, there's a truck, there's a sign,
That's the biggest police
there's
truck
a
I've ever seen.
pole. Oh, there's the dam.
Look at those sideways electrical power things.
Yeah.
Yeah, go left. Go left.
Yay!
Thank God.
He's gonna pay $20
Yeah,
to
he's gonna go
sit over
pay
there.
$20. Be retarded.
How long can I make a video for?
Just make it.
Okay. There's some green stuff. There's some people and some giant statues of scary things. I guess they're supposed to be angels.
Something like that. No, it's a flying
winged
builders.
monkeys. Oh. The Nevada time is 3:30.
Yeah.
So we're crossing the dam now.
Bridge over there.
Bridge. Yeah, kind of.
After it exits. There's Arizona time right here.
Arizona time. 3:30? Oh, yeah, it is still the same right now because they don't follow the daylight savings. So half of the year it has the same as Pacific and half of the year is the same as Mountain time.